When you're ready to install panels and trim, it's important that these components are installed in the proper order. When you remember that the purpose of a building is to keep the elements out, especially rain, the order of installation becomes very logical. Installation begins at the very bottom. If you have a base trim or wrap guard, attach that to the base angle first, along with any foam closures. Once the base trim is installed, you'll attach the wall panels. Each panel will overlap the previous panel, moving from left to right or right to left on the walls. If you have wainscot panels, the wainscot trim will be installed over the top of these bottom panels. You can then install the remaining wall panels on the ledge of the wainscot trim. Corner trims should be attached after all the wall panels have been attached to the building. If you have an overhang, the soffit material will be installed next, followed by the eave trim or pre-hung gutters that screw down underneath your roof panels. Your roofing panels go on after the eave trim, allowing water to flow off the panels over the eave or gutter. If your building has a lean-to, the lean-to roof will be capped with an angle trim or pitch break. You will install wall panels over this angle trim, then soffit, eave, and pre-hung gutters before attaching the roof of the main building. Once the roofing panel is in place, you'll install the rake trims, and finally the ridge cap. Any trims that need to be lapped, such as corners or rakes, should be installed starting at the bottom of a wall or the eave line, so water will not flow into any seams. Properly assembled, your steel building will allow rain to fall and flow easily from one component to the next, without giving the water any chance of flowing into the building.